All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Ford Transit. It is the T-150 long wheelbase with 24,000 miles, white with gray vinyl interior, power windows, power door locks, backup camera, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper. Pretty nice. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks very nice. Here's your front driver's steel wheel and your tire thread. Let's see, my new retarded gauge here is at 830 seconds, it looks like. This door looks good. This quarter looks okay. As you can see, it does have some dings. One here, one here, one here, another one right there. Up here, we got a ding as well. Actually, 10 or more inches coming from like over here to about there. Boom. All right. Here's our rear driver steel wheel. And your tire thread back here is, it looks like 1230 seconds from what I can see there. All right. Of course, you got power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Here's your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. You guys can check out instrument cluster and stuff like that. Does come with the 1 key and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM FM stereo system right there. You got your AC controls right down below. You got your backup camera, POW. Of course, you get your instrument cluster here. As you can see, there are no lights on or any issues. Your mileage of 24/7, 112. Keeping it moving. Turn on the lights. Get it going. Rear bumper looks okay. Your rear doors look pretty decent. A little button here pushes this door out. Likewise here. Pushes that door out. Of course, this is what your cargo area looks like. Very nice. You got the wheel wells don't look too bad. Here's your door. That one looks great with the molding here, or the panel. Looks good. Coming around, this door looks pretty good. All right. This quarter looks pretty nice. Here's our rear passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 1130 seconds. Let me double check that. That is correct, 1130 seconds. Got a heavy scratch here. These doors look okay. Got a little ding there. You got a dent from the inside out. All right, these doors do swing out. That's what one of them looks like. Very nice. The paneling looks good. There's your other door. And what that looks like, paneling on that one looks good as well. This is what your side cargo area looks like, very nice. Steps look good. Side, got the wood paneling for protection. This door looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front fender here looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is at 630 seconds, it looks like. Double check that. About 6 to 530 seconds around there. Lights are working, car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 16 Ford Transit T-150 with 24,000 miles. You guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.